There have been a lot of great trainings on how to use the Gym Monster Speediance, and in today's video, I wanted to show you the user interface because I really find it easy and enjoyable, and I think this is something that's super important when you're thinking about purchasing Speediance or not, is the user interface. So when you first look at the screen here, you're gonna get this lovely dashboard. There's some recommendations, there's some stats above here, and you're gonna see that there's workout, whoops, sorry for the blurry, there's workout, template, free lift, program, and movement. So what I really like is workout. This is for someone who, I just wanna do a workout, I don't wanna think, just give me a set of things to do, bam. So you have a series of different workouts here. You can hit filter to choose back, legs, arms, and then you simply click that, and then you simply click start. And before going to start, you can even see all the items that you're gonna do in this workout. And that way you can be like, oh yeah, this looks good. This is just like what I want. Perfect. And then you're just gonna hit start and it walks you through. It's super fast. Everything comes on really, really quickly. Perfect. So now you can see we're doing a couple warm-ups here. And so I think this is really neat to see because you can see how good a quality the trainers are that are showing you the exercises. So right now we're just doing warm-ups. Let me skip this so you can actually see some of the weight training. In all the workouts, it's sort of nice. They run you through a couple warm-ups before you actually go into the exercise. So you can see in this one, he's doing a row. And I'm just letting you listen to the audio. So they teach you in the beginning sort of how to do the motion. They're showing you a variety of different angles of the motion too, which I really like. And even throughout, as I'm doing the lift, they're sort of cueing, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And so here's the user interface. This bottom part is gonna be the same for if you're choosing workout or movement or any different type. You can see you simply turn the weight on, and it gives you a couple seconds to get ready. And now the weight's on and I can do the motion. I want to turn the weight off, just like that. There's also Bluetooth controllers that can do this without touching the screen. And right here, it's going to count my reps. This will show you how symmetrical your right and left arms or legs are. And then right here is an easy way to adjust the weight. So I can adjust how much weight I want to. Now I'm doing 40 pounds, or I can also just hit this minus to more individually adjust the weight if I'm having any problems. So that is a little bit about the user interface. I know some people wanted to see some of the pre-programmed workouts. You can also just choose, instead of a full workout, to do just one movement, or just do what's called a free workout, where you can just do it on your own. Hope this video was helpful.